Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're using the GoCrypto app and want to make sure it's fully updated for the latest features and security, in this video I'll show you how to update the GoCrypto app step by step on your phone. First, go to your phone's Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine and type GoCrypto. Now locate the official app and tap on it. If an update is available, you'll see a green or blue update button. Tap it and the latest version will start downloading. If you only see open, that means your app is already up to date. For future convenience, tap the three dots at the top right and choose Enable Auto Update so the app stays updated automatically. And that's it. You have just updated your GoCrypto app to the latest version. Now you'll have better performance, security, and possibly some new features too. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.